Get in there with her. No, no, no. Careful, 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 careful. Slow down. She wants you to play with her. Hi, Daisy. Ah. Say, come here, Daisy. Get in the pool. Say, come on, Daisy. Farron, be careful. Say, come on, Daisy. Say, get in the pool with me. What? What is it? Here, come on. Look, let me see. Careful. Daisy. Here, call her, Farron. Say, come here, Daisy. Ouch. Hey. Here, look. Look. Oh. Oh, don't throw it down there. She can't. You can throw it this way. Over here. Farron, that's her toy. She wants you to throw it to her. Throw it. Here we go. Up. Daisy, it's right here. Here. Look. Ah, it keeps bouncing. Farron, be careful, buddy.
It's just in the water.
I know, there's no water in there. Are you pretending? You pretending there's water?
I want them.
No, not right now. It's too cold.
I can play outside.
You can play outside, but it's too cold to swim. Are y'all through playing?
No.